Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video, I'll show you how to use video editor glitch video effects that you can download from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you may have noticed, I have already opened my Google Play Store, and in here, search in video, and here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. Merge video and photo, these are the things that you can do with this app. Magic effects, 100 plus glitch effects, slideshow music video, free music, retro filters, cool stickers and text, adjust speed, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that GlitchCam is the most stylish video editor with stunning glitch video effects. You can distort video in an artistic way easily with this glitch video editor. Besides massive unique music, VHS, 3D Vaporwave Effects, retro filters, and editing tools make your clip even sparkle. It has 100 plus effects for glitch videos, video editor with music for free. You can import your own music from your phone, all kinds of music to your video, adjust volume, fade in and fade out to fit your video. Free video editor, it can support importing videos from gallery, trim and cut the video to the length you need. Video editor with retro VHS camcorder, stickers and text, retro filters and transition effects. Easy to use video editor and vlog maker for all platform. One click save and share. All-in-one Glitch HD video editor allows you to change aspect ratios fit for all social media such as 11:16:19, then export videos in highest resolution and share them to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, here it is, Glitch video, and this is the interface. So edit and record and then create your first project. So we'll go ahead and create our first project by tapping this and then choose a video or photo. So let's just use this one as an example and then combine it with photo. So photo, let's use this one and then proceed to the next step. Okay, let's go ahead and play it. All right. So to edit this, you'll have to use the tools below. So as you can see, pre-cut is where you can use the trim, cut, and split. So let's say that we don't want this one here. We want to trim it here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, that's cut, then trim. Okay, let's go ahead and trim it. And then, all right. So okay, so you can play it back and then play it again. So it has been trimmed. And then aspect ratio is where you can choose the ratio of your video or photo. So 1:1, saying 16, 69, 4, 5, story, and so on. So you just have to tap the check mark to proceed or to apply the effect. So let me just go back to the original, and then copy is where you can copy a clip or photo and then it will be pasted next to the one you have copied. So let me just delete it by tapping the X button. And also background is where you can change the background. So as you can see, the default is blur, so you can choose the color which is going to have like this, black, and then red, pink. So you have the option to change the color. So you can also use the gradient if you want to, or the pattern. So pattern is going to look like this. So just choose any of the patterns below. So let's say that we want to try this one. Let's try it. Apply the check mark. There you have it. And also you can crop it. So you have the option to crop the photo or video, and you just have to drag and drop it like this. So I'm not going to crop it since I like the original one, so I'm just going to cancel it. And speed is where you can adjust the speed of your video. So this is only applicable if you're using a video files. It's not going to work for photos. And I will not going to change the speed since I like it, but if you want to, you just have to use this one here like that. So you just have to make it shorter or longer, it's up to you. And also rotate is where you can rotate your photos or videos, so you have the option to correct it. And let's say that we're good with this, we're done with the basic editing. By the way, before we proceed to the next step, there's actually a duration in here where we can make the videos or photos. So you have the option to make the video longer or shorter by using or applying the duration. So you just have to use this like that and then apply the check mark. So let me just go back, and then let's say that I'm done with the editing. All you need to do is proceed to the next step, and then in here you can also apply the effects. So long press to apply glitch. So there's really a lot of glitch, and to apply it you just have to start. Let's say I'm going to start from here, so long press there, and from here I want to use the other glitch. Let's try this one, the VHS. So there, we can combine it actually. So let's also try this one, VCR. Okay, that's also nice. And bad TV too. Alright, that's also good. Noise TV, long press, and monitor there, that's monitor. And RGB shadow, let's try this one. Okay, that's RGB. And dazzling, let's also try this one. Okay, that's dazzling, which is really amazing. Ghosts there, that's ghost. So you have the option to use all of these glitch available for you to use. So mirror 2 and pixel, there's really a lot. So depending on your needs, you can play with it. Since this is just an example, I'm just going to show you all of this or some of this glitch effect. This one is going to look like that, popular. Alright, so effects, and here you can also use this one here. You can apply the effects, and let's try the B1. Okay, right now it's being downloaded, so let's, okay, that's B1, sprinkle. So let's also try this one. Let's download it first, the L key 2. Alright, so that's L key 2. And then you have the option to apply emojis as well by going in here, love, retro, pride, dream heart, and so on. So this one, if you want this one, the heart 16, you can try it as well. So first it needs to be downloaded, and then long press to apply the effects there. So next is filter. Filters is going to apply filters like this one, story, bright, natural, and do, warm, circle, and so on. Music is where you can add a music to your videos. So you can use you can import a local music. Local music is where you can import your own music, and what you see here in here is the music that you can download and use it for your videos. So this is free to use, so you just have to play it first by tapping it there. So it's now playing, and if you want to use it, then you just have to tap the use, and there it is. So you have the option to change the volume there, and trim the audio, fade in, fade out, split, duplicate, delete, and so on. Alright, so I'm just going to cancel it. And then volume, so volume is where you can increase or decrease the volume of your videos or photos. So by tapping this, it will be applied to all of your clips. So next is stickers. So there you can add emojis, something like this. You can drag it anywhere you like. There. And in here you can also use your gallery, and then GIF powered by GP, and so on. So text as well, you can also use text just like that, apply it anywhere on your videos. So it's really up to you. And let's also go to, and if you want to make this text longer, you just have to drag it like this. So if you don't want this emoji, then just have to tap it first and then delete it, and then apply. So you can go back to the sticker or text. There, text is where you can add text. Hi there. So you can also customize it by dragging it starting from here. So it's really fun and easy to use. You just have to use this tool below, and then the effects is also amazing. You can download it first and apply the effects. So it's really cool tool. So let's say that we're done with the edits, and I want to save it now. I want to post it to my social media, so I just have to choose the resolution. So by tapping that 720p at the top, you will see these options. So 4K, 1080p, 720 and 640. So 4K and 1080p is for premium users. So just have to, if you're using the free version, then you won't be able to use this 4K or 1080p resolution, since it's going to take for a while if you're going to use the 4K. So let's try 1080p instead. Okay, 1080p is much faster, so let's use it. All right, it's done. Let's go ahead and take a look at the result. So you can rate this app if you want to by tapping this stars. So this is the result. You can play it there. So all of the effects has been applied, the glitch effects, then the emoji and the text. So you can share it to your social media account, to your TikTok, Kawaii, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and so on. So if we want to go back to the home page or the dashboard, just tap this home icon, and there. So you see we now have one file created, and it will be posted in here in the dashboard. So draft is where we have edits that's currently saved to our drafts. So one completed video. So you can now record again by tapping the record, or you can edit a video that you have saved on your phone. So if you go to settings, you will only see this. This is where you can change the language. So depending which country you live in. So if you're in Japan, so choose Japanese and it will be changed. So there, the text has been changed. And to Korea, there, so that's Korea. And English, let's go back to English there. So feedback is where you can send feedback, share, and then other great apps created from this developer. So you have the option to try their apps as well. So again, that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use. You just have to select a photos or videos that you want to edit, and then it's really amazing. So let's go ahead and try one more time. So let's proceed to the next step right away, and then apply the glitch effect there. So there's really a lot of glitch effect that you can apply. You can choose which one is really best. So there, it's a lot there. So you have the option to do that. by applying it. Long press to apply there, and then choose the resolution. So 1080p is much faster than 4K. 4K is going to take for a while, so 1080p is already good. So again, that's how you use this application, and I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to edit their photos or videos and wanted to get famous in social media. So this is where you can start to become the next star in social media. 100 plus effects for glitch video: retro, VHS, chrome, shadow, RGB, BZR, old TV, noise, monitor, glitter, heartbeat, soul, vibrate, Xray, neon, noise, mirror, wave, distro, negative, pixel, cyber, aesthetics, specs, and so on. So you just have to scroll it like this and choose the effects that you wanted to apply. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have learned something for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.